This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view your archived jobs on the LinkedIn app. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the LinkedIn app. To find your archived jobs on LinkedIn, you want to go down to the bottom down here, down to your little jobs icon. You want to tap on jobs. Then in the top up here, you have tabs that go across the top up here. You want to tap on the one that says Job Tracker. And then on this new screen here in the upper left-hand corner, you can see I have saved. You want to tap on that. And then you can choose between saved, in progress, applied, interview, or archived. I'm going to tap on the one that says archive. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and tap on Update. I haven't used LinkedIn for a long time, so I only have one archive job here. But that is how you locate your archive jobs on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.